Hello, I am Umar Maniku,
And I am Jong Kang.
and we are here today to show the extension part that we have created for Project0 NBody for UC Berkeley's Computer Science 61B class. So first, we will start by compiling our program using the command javac NBody extreme.java. Good, it compiles. Then we will run our program using the following command.
For simplicity's sake, we won't be using the planets, but the provided atom.txt file, as this occurs in a much smaller scale and thus increases the probability of collisions occurring.
Within the main method, we have included a feature that will allow the program to take account for elastic collisions between items in the universe that we are examining.
To begin, elastic collisions are collisions in which both momentum and kinetic energy are conserved. In other words, the total system kinetic energy before the collision is equal to that of the system after the collision.
In the context of our atom simulation, when two atoms collide, their x and y component velocities after the collision will be exactly negative of what they were before the collision. This creates the image of them bouncing off of each other.
Now, we will explain in general terms how we have implemented this. We have used a double for loop. The outer for loop uses an integer variable I to iterate over the planets, while the inner for loop uses an integer variable x to iterate over the planets. This means that for each planet I, we are checking whether the area of that planet I is overlapping the x and y axis of planet X, which is all planets in the system, except for planet I itself. We have implemented that if x and y are equal to each other, then it will just continue and not change anything. So if they do overlap, the x and y component velocities are multiplied by -1. Otherwise, it stays the same.
So when the program is finished, as you can see, it prints out the final positions of each of the electrons and the nucleus in our system, or if we were using the planets, it will print out the final positions of the planets, taking into account any collisions that they have had during the time that the program ran. Thank you very much.